Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom PowerPoint presentation template. Whenever you open PowerPoint, and you chose the blank presentation template, it contains those two text boxes, so, in my case this is very annoying. First delete those text boxes. Then go to the View tab. Then choose the Slide Master button. Now, to the left, there are all the slides of the default blank templates, which you don't need. So, start by deleting them. To delete them, right-click the slide, then choose the Delete Layout. The first two cannot be deleted, so we start with the third one, and delete all below, one by one. After deleting all of them, we have to delete the text boxes by selecting them, then pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Then, we do the same with the master slide, and then closing the master view. After we did this, we have to save it, the File tab, then Save As, and under the Custom Templates, I'm going to save it as Blank Template Row. Press the Save button, and close the PowerPoint. Now, whenever I open PowerPoint, if I want the default blank presentation template, I will click this. If I want my custom template, I just clicked on it and there you have it. No more text boxes that I had to delete every time I needed a blank page. Now, if I go to the default blank presentation, is still there, nothing changed. In my situation, I need the totally blank template to create my YouTube thumbnails, which I'm going to show you in a future video, so stay tuned by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Thanks for watching.